from Untouchable Mama. I greet everybody. Na good evening, na good afternoon, na good morning. I just want to talk a little thing. Nígbà tèmi kéré Zaizami, I talk am for pidgin, so that people wey no dey hear Benin, they will still hear wetin I wan talk about. About this lady wey dem deport. When somebody send the video give me, I dey surprised. I say, wetin dey happen? How dem go deport person wey dem born for here without document? Dem just carry am go Nigeria. You know, I come say, I also fit watch this video. So because me, I too dey busy. Now I come dey explain to my husband, say, dem fit deport person like that? My husband say, no, say e get wetin go happen. Now I say, may I forget, may I first dey lis ten first. So let me come dey watch the video. I come watch the first one, come still see the second one. Now I say, something dey happen. Even when the woman talk am sef, because me wey don still take for abroad, e no dey happen. Say you no get passport, dem go just carry you go put for any flight, carry you go Africa. Where dem wan carry you go? You understand? Anywhere, because they must know the country where you belong to before they will say they want buy ticket, make they go put you for the country. So now I can say no, I will talk about this thing. I can see they see other video for YouTube, they come out. My brothers and sisters, wetin make me come out where I just say me I can't talk a little, because not be me no pass. Many people don't still talk am. You know, like this woman's story, I hope say many of our people go use am take learn. They go use am take learn. They go use am take learn well. According to the story where the woman talk, say now from Libya, then they for enter Italy. When you enter Italy, they give you 1 year. Only Samagoya total. You know fit sit down. Now I see they talk, not because of say I be Italian product that they talk. Italy is the best country to stay. Even though say you don't get paper, they go leave you for there. So I mean you not find trouble. No go put your hand for where your hand not go reach. They not go even find you. Only Samagoya total, you carry your children. You say because you dey fear say they will carry your pikin. Really, Italian they collect pikin, but don't be say they'll just come knock for your door, say bring your pikin. Now something they happen before they carry pikin for the parents' hand. How many pikin they'll fit carry? How many people there for Italy? Children there. Something will happen before they will carry your pikin from your hand. Don't be say something no happen, they'll say they want to collect your pikin. No, it's against the law. And then they treat the children bad, or you know they take care, or maybe you carry and go school, you go forget them for school for many times because if you forget children for school, so maybe it happen. You understand? You must call the school, say maybe you not quick close for your work, or a person want come pick out, you know. If it happen 1, 2, 3, then go just write letter, go give a social. Say this is not the first time waiting this thing they happen. Before Italia go, before their law, they follow you. They see how you take whether they maltreat the children, whether you know they not just they get up like that. And if something don't reach social hands, they very strong. You they on that they control you. Anything way they do, they control you. Okay, he say carry the first one. He bought the first one for Italy. They give am 1 year. As far as say they don't give you 1 year. Say you for stay there. This thing never happen for Italy. No, no verse. So maybe it don't happen. Me, I never hear now. Say Italy carry pikin, carry mama, then deport and go their country. No, they not. I never hear now. So now I can say since they don't give you they don't give you 1 year. As you dey fear say they will carry the first one, you for. Since you go Swiss, you say you go Swiss. Okay, you born that the other one for there. Maybe when you reach Italy, the time when they come from Italy for Libya, what is that they call you? Not make me block you, because that make me not the recommend. If you talk any, I go block you for here. Because me, I know the tolerate nonsense, If you talk any, I go block you. Now know me. So as you go for Swiss, maybe another story, now you still go talk for that side. Wey not match the one where you talk for Italy. Because my brothers and sisters, many things there. I get small time to them, I still talk something. Maybe another story now you go talk for that side and you born the first one. So your husband tell you say paper don come out, then you go Italy again. They give you another 1 year. Work not there. You know dey work, your husband not dey work. Since they give you that 1 year, you no fit stay there. So people they give one year, but they will dey there. No, you carry your children. You say no wan go Germany, you carry go Germany. Maybe when you reach Germany now another story. Now you still put for grant, because our people they do am. You another story now, maybe then you put for there. They go still write am there. They go still write am there. May I block this useless goat, because I know they like goat for my page. I don't block them. So maybe na another thing now you still write for there. So this Germany, I know say Germany, they are very straightforward country. They not be like Italy, eh? Germany not be like Italy. They not dey tolerate nonsense. Germany no dey take rubbish where Italy they take. Everybody know am. One I not talk say because this woman, because you marry Italian woman. No, before you marry Italian, because you marry Italian man. No, I just see their law. Now through their law, because small way I still know. I don't block her, may you know man now. I don't block that idiot. I will still block another one. Anybody want, if una want listen, now listen. May I tell now one thing, my brothers and sisters, una know me untouchable man. I don't take nonsense from anybody. You take if you want listen, you go listen. If you don't want listen, say what I they talk, you don't like her, please log out. It's not by force. If I finish now, I will put her for YouTube. Who want look and go look her? What I like for my life, if you like me, I dey watch people video, I know they insult them. If I see say what they talk, I don't like her, I go log out. I know they make any comments, I just come out. But if you don't like what I they talk, then you come here, you insult me, I will block you. That is for me. I will block you. So if you want listen, you feel listen. If you know somebody I they talk, you dey interest, you go listen. If you not like her, if you not just like her, just carry your wala go. So wetin I dey talk, that make me I no dey want me I dey look any comment at all. I just dey talk wetin I dey talk dey go. So you carry, maybe you talk another, because I don't know where I come anyway. It's Germany, they know they take rubbish, they know they take am. Maybe na wetin you talk for Italy now, they different where you come from Libya. As you go Swiss, go Bonn, maybe you talk another one. They go write am down. You know, say anything where we dey talk, then they write everything down. Anything where you dey, especially if you come like say, and something they pursue you, they come for your country, then they write am down. Anything, they go they write am down. They go they write am down. Make sure say they inside your brain, make you not make mistake if they ask you again. Maybe you go Germany now, they ask you, you write another one down. So you know say Germany now, then they do control well. Maybe now they just, because you know now, they will just call this country, boo. So what you write for that, they different. What you do for that, they different. They'll come put up together, because it's against the law. You understand? Anything where you write for there, say now you want to take Aduro, make sure say now you still write another place, and you know if you take Aduro for 2 places, now 1 place now you for take am. Do you understand? Because they'll say criminal offense is something like that. I don't know how they tell they talk, and so wait till I know now they talk now so. So now be that one. So like this woman now, you know if you talk, say this woman now, maybe they don't fair. The paper don't they shake, and you don't get paper for Germany. As she they talk now, they talk so because he said the 1 year where Italy give her, it can't expire. Because he not come Germany, he not come Italy, come renew again. Until you see, it can't expire. As he expire now, you can't be clandestine for Germany. You don't see without paper, even though so you born for there, you not get paper. So your children will still be clandestine. Because if your husband get paper now, you go still say, okay, one must get paper. If you don't get paper, if anybody not get, in a clandestine, because some people don't understand, say, even though say you born for Europe, you born for Europe, especially now black to black. The children where you born, now Nigeria, maybe I just say Nigeria because I mean Nigeria now. Now in Nigeria they will put say cittadinanza Nigeriano. They know they put and say cittadinanza Italiano. They know they put on. Till your children go grow up, they go fight for their own document by themselves. This is what some of our people, they don't understand this thing. They will feel the thought say, I go since I born for there, nobody feel deport me. Na lie. na lie. Trying to fight for your documents, trying to fight. Make my people, my brothers and sisters, more than dey lis ten, who never get documents, if na Italy give you, sit down for there, nobody dey carry you comot. So family, you no go put your hand for where your hand no reach. Don't go dey find trouble dey go. They must give you that paper. They do your own, they go. No, they carry, and they go there, they say that they pay. I want go that side, they say Italy no they pay. Really, Italy no they pay. They never even pay their people finish. Others of say now people where come from another place, then they want pay. Italy, they give documents where if you know your way, if you know your rights, then they give. Now patience. They give where. Some of our people know how they run, they go Germany, they will give me for Germany. If Germany give you money for a year, they will start to because then they monitor all this money where they give, that they monitor. They're gonna monitor you because like the last one she born her for Germany. And you say you not get husband, who can they give you the belly? Our people this way, but they not be as well. Who they give you the belly and you say your husband not there. So may our people learn from this woman. Oh, make una learn. And you go there, like say this woman now, this 15 years when she thought say she's there for Europe. Now Italy now is there for there. If I don't get documents, even though say not be, even though say that your husband gets, because with your husband or you go fit get it, she fit still get her own. Because if you not get, your children not go get. If you not get, your children not go get. So my brothers and sisters, make una dey learn, make una dey reason. I pity for that children where the thing pay me. As I see the children, mosquito they chop them. The thing they pay me. As I see wetin, iya wetin go name e run out the joma u nege logo mona bie. Can you imagine? Huh? Because I say you they run, they go Germany. No, I want to go Germany or they pay for them. Now because of benefit, now this woman do this thing. And the thing they pay me where? As you born for Italy, you don't give them, say, see what carry you come from your country. See that for them. Till they give you your documents. See, they don't fair give you 1 year. They must still they give you. Because of that children when you born, they go they use until they give you. Italy not they wicked like that, eh? People just they talk. If you don't know their law, now you go they talk, say they're wicked. They are not wicked. That 3 children now where one for Italy, the other one for Sweden, the other one for Germany. That's why you just born these 3 for them. And know how you must see small work they do. Then from there they will come give you this your document will come the strong. They not come be one year again. And I they tell our people all the time, lawyer. Since they don't fair give you at all, they must make sure say that they give you again. Your children they go school for there, because of benefits. See what it can happen now. You think pay me for the children. Anyway, the children they don't grow, they'll still come Europe again with visa. Because where they for born then they'll go to their embassy. They'll through everything where they say you born everything a computer. If they inside there, when they grow, they'll go put for visa. Woman say, make una help me. Yeah, why you learn go ni sangiro? They don't carry you in Nigeria, they don't carry you go. If anybody just do that one, be that one. So now that one I be that. So wetin I want still talk, wetin I want join, and most of our people they believe say, me I tell una me I don't believe, me I don't tell una little story where happen. This one, when I say the internet don dey wave. Hello, now they hear me. The internet don dey wave. I don't know what is the worry. Hello, my sister, my brothers and sisters. Hello, are you people hearing me? I don't want me. Hello. Are you people hearing me? The network is bad. Don't know if I will start it again. I'm not saying the network is not good. Hello, brothers and sisters. Are you people hearing what I'm saying? I don't know whether I restart again. I'm not gonna. When I say the network don't good. Hello. Oh, network. Oh. Can somebody tell me if you are hearing me, please? Oh, yeah. Okay, okay. Thank you. OZ Brown, thank you. Thank you. Because the network did back before. So, wetin I dey talk just now, a little story where it happen. This one not be say, then say. This our Nigeria, this about maybe 15. Network not good, Mona tell me, oh, I beg. Because the network, they wave. If you not good, Mona tell me. If you not they hear me, now tell me. So this guy married to Italian man, don dey for many years. So he come married to Italian man. You know, say that time, now if person newly come, you go give the name. And if Agbalegbe just control you, you tell them, they'll say, wetin be your name? Document, not. You go say, when your document, you go say you no get. That time, na Italy, now everybody know. So this guy come tell Agbalegbe, say, see the name when they call am, just forge name. They come write am down. So they come put, you know, say that they give follow the via. They can't give am follow the via. So this guy now, wetin happen after many years, this follow the via, they say that they give lawyer, say that they cancel am gbogbo, you know, say JJC na person journey come. So this guy now, after many years, they not come dey disturb am, nothing, because Italian they give you follow the via, they know they too much they disturb person like that. So this guy can't get this oyibo, this oyibo, they can't marry. When this guy marry oyibo, wetin happen? They give am document, because from that marriage wey he marry, they can't give am that document. When she wan go renew, I think she wan go put in for na kata sojourner, I no come know again. So they wan come do complete. Wetin happen? The name wey the girl take do when they take give am follow the via, e dey different. The one wey take marry. The two name and two surname. Hope una dey hear me. I don't know whether the network still good. If una no dey hear, una let me know. Me I no be say I just dey talk. Una no dey hear. E come be two surname, two name. Where this guy don't do marriage. You understand? So when I wan go put in for kata sojourner, no sojourner, complete, no. Then somebody go bring for this thing come for their country. So this guy carry everything, go never ever go prison. When na something come happen, the name go dey tell fair whole land. But then you know say they do it on prison, take your picture, they will put am, because you know say that time na person journey come, wetin you like now you dey talk, wetin you like you tell them say they call you. Then deport am go Nigeria. This one no. When your husband, because when they want, they can't call and say the document don't ready, make come. This name that time say yes. Why you can't change the name now? That one I be real name wey take do marriage. So in Nigeria see so. They call. Then deport am go Nigeria. They say because even though say you married to their own Italian this thing, they must deport you. But if let's say the woman get because of say born for a Italian person, they for not deport her. Because they say the marriage, they go cancel am. Because the one way be your real name, the one way not be your real name. She understand? For them not to deport her, he husband, this oyibo man, he run go meet lawyer. Now lawyer tell am say the only thing wey you go fit do, because they don't carry your wife go house, he go come do everything back home for Nigeria. This guy stay house, This guy stay house, He stay for Nigeria before they come. Your husband, this oyibo man, come they do everything, they do am. Before I think take a year plus. Before they come, the visa can't come out, it can't come back again. Because for their law, na him wife. You understand? Because for their law, it make whether na criminal offense that they call am, no, we guys that they call am. Since you give that fake name, they not gonna know the one way can be you. So for them, for their law, they just carry the girl, they carry on go house. Thank God to say your husband not be useless man. He can't help am do everything. That's why they send money, go they give her everything before this girl can't try again with that visa, can't say enter us again. So my brothers and sisters, anything one that they do, wetin dey make me dey tell this story now, because many people dey wey go when they go ask am say wetin be your name, because you no get document, you go give another name. When you go reach question and maybe you wan come do paper, you go come give them their name. Now problem na you dey put for yourself. Problem big one, big one. So na so this girl come take come with visa, with that visa, now he come take do everything because him husband still dey marry. So anything one they do, make una dey do am well, because we know everything, you know. Because if you dey talk, if you we call here now, we go talk line and so this, but that line make sure say you go dey straight, you go dey follow that line, they go not bend am. If you bend am, when you go reach for documents, now then dem come dey get power. So that is what I have to say about my people. Mona learn. If you not get documents, your husband not get documents, if you born for year, na the same thing. No expect say na citizen, it's not a citizen. Not be citizen, because many people they don't know, because not be their fault. Wetin person don't know, na person still dey tell am. If you be Nigeria or Ghana, you born, na your children, the nationality where you be, na your children still be. The right wey your children get for year, na if they don't be adults, they fit fight for themselves. They fit fight for themselves, they will give them their document, because they have the rights na here they for born them. So my brothers and sisters, wanna learn. Country where give you paper, no run from there. Say because they know they give me child benefits, I want run and they go Germany. Germany, they know they take rubbish where other country they take. They know they take am. If work not there, if na summertime, you go see work for Italy. Work go there. Don't worry, even though say na badant, go they do am. Even though say na to clean, go they do am. Now work now they call am. And Italia, they like person where they pay tax well. If you they pay tax, you be their friends. If you know they pay tax for their country, very sorry. If you dey pay tax, you get documents. People where they pay tax where they Italy, they know. Any paper where you ask for, they go give you. You want invite person come, you are free. So for me, they pay tax. Anything when they ask you, may you bring and come. They go do and you go come. Like Germany now, you know if you carry, I believe say, because I never go Germany. I don't even know their law well, but I know say many people where they there. They know they invite their mama come and be like say only their children, then they fit carry come. But Italy no be like that. Italy no be like that. So all these things, maybe they use and say they learn. Italy na good country. If they don't give you 1 year, stay for there. Some go just come, they will dey for camp for there. I don't pay for year, oh, it don't tell where I dey here. If friend go call and say, what you they do, Mugu? Come Germany, then they pay for that side. You go just true run, carry a bag, they run, they go. Because if you don't come up for camp, they will cancel you for them. When you reach Germany now, they don't give you paper. You can't be say, like say I know I for sit down. It's too late to cry. It's too late to cry. And most of our women, when they just eat with your husband, they go just think and they go just plan now. You go say my wife, they pay for Germany. Spain now, work not there. Italy now, work not there. Maybe you just carry children go. If you read there, they do single mother. Wanna learn for year now, make una learn. Most of una where they do, I'm wanna learn. If una not learn, and I know. If your husband say want sit down for the country where give am, where he dey, why you not sit down with am? You go sit down with am. Wetin una see me una dey eat? Wetin una see? I'm gonna try. If you woman not get, man not get. If na one of una, make una try make get document. If na the wife na get document now, if I still dey let person, then they know the children will get. Man not get, woman not get. Only na muna digin, no muna digin. Huh? So my brothers and sisters, just a little advice for people where they think say, hey, I want to go Germany, then they say that they pay for that side. No, not be so. Not be money. First of all, if you dey abroad, first of all, now document. If you just get that your document for hand, if your Obalegbe say document, you just give am boy, you go just control and go just give you back. But if you not get, your heart gonna make boo 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 if you see any, if you just say Obalegbe. I know say no easy to get them, but now here no small. So I pity for these children, really. The thing pay me well, pay me, because children will never go Nigeria once. Just see say they just carry them, just go put for that side. You get as it be. So my brothers and sisters, hope many of una go learn from this one. People wey never get this, wey never get document, when they say no, they say Germany, and one they say na Germany good pass, and they run they go. Germany e good. They know they take rubbish wey Italy they take. They know they take am. If you get paper, they don't fair give you 1 year, 2 years. Stay for there. When they know they go. Work not day today. Maybe tomorrow you will see. Even though some farm work you they do, e no good pass say they carry you now and go put for Nigeria. Because some of our people, they don't want to do even the farm work. They say, no, I don't want to do farm work. Or what you not do? Now me you can they do. You not be a citadina. You not be citizen of their country. Even people wake us now. They give paper now. They still they collect them. They go give you. They still collect them from your hand. Even though say that you carry their passport for hand, if they want withdraw, then they withdraw. So maybe we know they misbehave. Maybe we know they do anyhow. Jump from here, go another place, jump go that side. No, because you never get your document. Never strong. If you don't strong, hey, you feel they say, okay, me I still go that side. For me I see as it be. So if you get children for here, make sure say your children don't suffer the suffer when you don't suffer. For Africa. Andrew, I will do that later. I'm online now. We do it later, okay? So make sure say the suffer where you suffer before for Africa. May your children not come suffer now. Let me cause they struggle. Let me cause they struggle. So my brothers and sisters, just a little advice. Who get ear, may ear. Who no one ear. Now you still know. Now well, your mama be time. So wait till I still know. Now I still talk small so. I know say some people go say, Madam, you don't do that one, do this one. Wait, I still know. I go still tell my person. Like that or more where I block yours now. Don't block that one because I know they take rubbish. I know they carry the talk. As I see this now, say me I still talk as my own still rich. So they know they carry person, they deport them without say passport not in your hands. Because they know like say na so they tell they do. I think they for just they carry everybody. When you say be your country, they'll just go put you, say maybe they go. Not be so. Not be so, because they know say you are from Nigeria. So my brothers and sisters, from Untouchable Mama, one love till my next audio. So that just a little advice for my brothers and sisters. Country where it give you document, more than they respect them. Stay for them. It go better, it go good. Don't let person deceive you, say, no, na France, they say it just the rain soon. France, na good pass now. You just carry your bag, they run, they go. When you know, say, paper where they your hand is not strong. Where you they run, they go. Stay for them. They don't give you. Many people where they from Italy, where they give passport now, they like America, Canada, or UK. Now Italy give them. They say that they carry, they go that side, go this side. That passport is not reach their hand today. So if Italian give you documents, they go still give you again. So 5 million, you not go do bad thing. What you go make them withdraw? Because if they know they just they withdraw document like that, say you not do anything. Let me say you something there before they withdraw. Either you leave and may expire. And then you leave and may expire before you carry go. Then it go come for their system. You not there again. That one now you're thorough that time. So my brothers and sisters from Untouchable Mama, remain blessed. One love. Now bye bye. Now bye. Watch out.